Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jamal Khwaja with United for Pakistan Independence Day. We are celebrating our 73rd Independence Day of Pakistan. This time we are in downtown. You all are going to celebrate your 73rd Independence Day in heart of downtown, front of Spring Street, Courthouse. We are closing down Spring Street just for you all. And you all voted for Ali Zafar. We are bringing Ali Zafar this time for you guys. We thank Consulate General of Pakistan to be a partner in this with us. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 100 booths, food, 15 food booths. Please bring your family, friends, your neighbors. Let them see how Pakistani people live, what our culture is, what our food is. So I want you all to come there on 18th August from 3 p.m. till 11 p.m. I want to make a point. This event is totally free. Bring anybody you want to bring. There is no cost to you. It's totally free in celebrating 73rd Independence Day of Pakistan. So be there.